Good morning, everyone. This is Ching-Hui, the Inspirational Painter. Today, I'd like to show you a mixed media painting. As you can see, I already did some background painting, and then I really love this sky and the mountain in the background. So today, I would like to focus on the front, and then it's so colorful, but I did some big stroke with the palette knife, and I assorted some of my dry flower plants, so I'm going to use this for my some texture on the second layer. I also have some beautiful colored dry flowers I picked from my collection. So I might do a little bit speeded like time lapse during the process, so that will save some time to have my viewer to see the process. Okay, see you in a little bit. Before I apply my dry plants, flowers on my canvas, I like to create more texture. Okay, art is all about textures and layers. So I'm going to apply some 3D acrylic paint, make it pop. So I have quite a lot of color choices. Okay, I'm a person I like colors because colors just make me happy. So I'm going to do some texture on my painting. First, I like to just test out a few colors. I already put some on the paper here, so I'm going to step. I would suggest you apply one color at one time, so don't try to mix all the colors. So I'm just going to step and create some texture. So here's too much yellow, so maybe do a little bit orange there. And now I'm going to apply some red color. So right down here. I'm going to apply 3 green colors on different area. Okay, so first this one is right here. Okay, and then I'm going to have a little bit darker green right here. And lighter green on this side. Okay. Sometimes doing art, you can explore your art adventure by trying different way and then see how would that work. So let's go ahead. Well, I really like this pattern here. Okay, so because on the side I like to create more bushy type of looking, so I'm going to apply some green on these two sides. So let's try some blue. Let's try this a little bit lighter blue here first. Maybe a little bit purple on the end here. Okay, see how well that works. Whoop, that's beautiful. A little bit down in here. Another way is you can use the sponge as well. So I'm going to just try some on the sponge. Okay, some the dark blue one. Really make it pretty. So I think I'm going to just let it dry. I'm not going to keep going. Sometimes, being an artist, you can keep going and going, and sometimes you just don't know when to stop. But I'm going to just let it dry because it's busy enough. So after it dry, I will apply the dry flowers in the front area. So I'm ready for the part 2 demonstration. Actually, I already did a part of the dry leaves already glued on the canvas. Now I'm going to work on more details about the flowers. So you can see I lay out the composition the way I like. So I'm going to just gradually glue them on the surface. And then in my another video talk about the glue. The acrylic medium I use is the high gloss varnish. Okay, so let's get started. After they dry, it's just so beautiful. So I'm just going to put this one overlapping this part. Okay, and then I also have some smaller pieces. I can find some spot if I want to cover up. For example, here I can use this piece. Here. That's pretty. Okay, so I don't want to overdo it, so that's probably enough for now. Or I can have, I think I'm going to add other few small pieces. This one right here, so maybe right here. It really look like firework, so beautiful. And then maybe another one right here. Okay, I do have a nice one I like to add. Maybe this one, yellow, a little bit yellowish, so it's going to be beautiful there. Okay. And you can overlapping with on top of other dry flower. That will create a layer. And it's beautiful. So don't need to worry too much. Just have fun, and then once if you don't like it, you can always kind of change it. Okay, so it's not a big deal. And this part is not gluing on right now, but it's okay. I'll kind of give it a minute to dry. Okay, so thank you for your watching today, and then this is Ching-Hui. Hope you like my video, and please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.